nutrition in amoeba. Amoeba is an example of holozoic mode of nutrition where they take in the food inside the body and then digest the food inside and then throw out the waste. So what are the steps for any type of holozoic nutrition? First step is ingestion. How do amoeba take in the food? Okay. Let's see. Amoeba, we all know, is a single-celled organism. They do not have fixed shape. They throw their body and into any shapes and they keep moving like that. So this is a normal amoeba. When this amoeba, okay, they see food particle. This is a food particle. They will draw their body. They will throw their cytoplasm of the body into finger-like projections. We call this finger-like projections. These are food particles. And this finger-like, you can see these finger-like projections, they are known as pseudopodia. Pseudo means false, podia means feet. So they are throwing their body to capture the food. Okay. This is the method by which they take. Now how they will take it? Through their cell membrane. Okay. So the next step they do is digestion. After ingestion is taking in a food. Then once they take it, they will put that food in a food vacuole. So they will form a food vacuole. You mark it like this. In a food vacuole they will put it. Okay, so they have intake and then they have surrounded it with a food vacuole. Food particles are present inside the food vacuole and this is your normal amoeba. Fine. Digestion is breaking down of this food particle, a complex substance, into a simpler substance. That is digestion. That will take place inside the food vacuole. Inside the food vacuole, the process of digestion will take place. Food particles will, whatever is a food particle will be broken down there into much more simpler substances. Then it will be absorbed. Absorption of food will take place. During this absorption, they are going to circulate this vacuole in complete cell. It will keep on moving and wherever it is necessary, whatever nutrient they want, that will come into the cytoplasm. So we can see this food vacuole is distributing all the food material to whole cell. That is absorption, means food material, whatever is there after digestion, they are entering into the cytoplasm. From the vacuole, it is coming to cytoplasm. That is known as absorption. They do not have any organ systems and all. They have only one cell. One cell has to perform all the functions. Then assimilation. What is assimilation? During assimilation, they will utilize whatever they have for the food. And why we need food? For various reasons. For performing all the biochemical reactions in the body, for energy release, for growth, development, repair. So when they are utilizing the food, that is known as assimilation. Utilization of food in any form is known as assimilation. After assimilation, the last step for any type of holozoic nutrition will be egestion. Egestion means throwing out of the undigested, unabsorbed food. So how they are going to do it? Again, that vacuole after complete digestion will reach to the cell membrane, it will merge with it, and all the waste products will be thrown out. Throwing out of the undigested and absorbed food will take place again through the cell membrane. This process is known as egestion, and they all are the steps of holozoic nutrition. Any organism who is performing this holozoic nutrition has to undergo all these 5 important steps, the way amoeba does. In paramecium, paramecium also, paramecium they have fixed shape. Let's see, this is the shape of paramecium. Okay, they have oral grooves through which food will enter. Special place is there which is provided through which food will enter. Okay, they have special shape. They are not like amoeba, they don't produce pseudopodia. But for gathering food materials, they have some hair-like structure outside their body called cilia. So this cilia helps in the process of collection of the food. Then it enters through the opening which is present, a special spot is given from where food will enter, and again inside the same processes will take place. Thank you.